Today, this will not be an adventure, guys. No, I'm making this video for one reason, well, two reasons. The main reason is to test out my GoPro 13 Hero Black. I just got done doing all the settings to it. I'm here to see how it works and see what are the things I might need to do. And the other reason is on my normal days of filming, I may not be able to produce anything on Sunday. Yeah, we're supposed to have wind and possibly strong storms, or even both. The downside to doing what I'm doing right now is it's a warm day. City Park is loaded with people. Yeah. And the other park I usually walk at, Waterway, is loaded with people and dogs off the leashes. Okay, as far as the GoPro Hero Black, as of now, it is the best action camera on the market today. I saved up quite a little bit there to get this action camera, and plus let a bill slide through here or there. Yeah. Could I got away without buying this? Yeah. But guys, you've been filming as long as I have, and if you do what I do, you'll learn that you have a good selection of cameras. Plus, this is going to be replacing my GoPro 10. My GoPro 10 will be used for the B-rolls, and my GoPro 9, what I was using for the B-rolls, be used for inside the car and stuff like that. But I'm testing out the clarity. I'm testing out my voice right now. I'm also on a brand new microphone mod for this GoPro. I'm also checking out, making sure the 16:9 to widescreen to 1280 is working correctly. Also, I'm going to be showing a lot of Kitt here in a few minutes and get it off me. Let's do that now. All right. Hey, Bubby. Let me get a good look at you. Kitt? Hey, Kitt. Right here, Bubby. There you go. I want to get a good look at you. I want to see how your colors might pop. I want to see everything. And we're going to do a scenic view here. Well, whatever scenic I could get at the park. I'm checking out a little bit of everything. I hear some birds chirping. I promise I'll learn how to speak, but let's see if I can capture that. Come on, there we go. I want to see how well the mic is picking that up. I probably will give myself a maybe a 2 or 3 month review on this down the road, but I can tell you some of the things that are a little different with this camera than my other GoPros. And what you doing, Bubby? Oh. Sorry about the language, guys. This is not good. Crap. I'll be back. Here, I'll show you. 2 dogs completely off their freaking leashes. That is not supposed to be happening down here. And my dog's right here, and I don't know if we're gonna have a dog fight or not. I don't even know where these dogs came from. This is complete crap. Okay, Kitt, they're going up. We're gonna make our way back to the car. I don't want my dog getting hurt. Well, shoot, they're hanging out at the car. There's Kitt right there. Shoot. My car's right there. I want to make sure I can get in the car. We just go down to the football field or something like that. Okay, nope, they're coming over here. Okay, guys, here. This is going to be non-stop, okay? Don't do it, dog, don't do it. Actually, I think the dogs are off their leash. Okay, I'm going to get in the car real quick, guys. Okay, whoo! I'm down here at the football field. That's my biggest fear. I think Kitt did okay, though. But they would have got up close. I don't know what they would have done to Kitt. And I do know he's scared unless there's a fence between him and the other dog. If it was my other dog, Stormy, that passed away 2 years ago, we would have had a fight on our hand. But I got lucky. And by the way, I thought the dogs belonged to them people, but they did not. And dogs belong somewhere else, and it looks like they have broke free from their home, and they're just running around having a good time. Shoot, I hope they don't end up here. I'm about 2 blocks away. I'm also going to have to probably beep out my curse words. Sorry about that, guys. I got excited and I got a little scared. I didn't know what the dogs were going to do to Kitt. So where was I? The battery. Yeah, on the GoPro 13 Hero 13, the battery's a little different than my other GoPro batteries. So I had to order other batteries as well. My other GoPro batteries would not work in this. So I ordered some more of them, and I also ordered a charging port, because the charging ports I have now will not work for this particular battery. All right, Bubby, come on. There you go. That's my boy. Yeah, they're playing soccer or baseball or something over there. Don't worry about that. Well, here's the football field, guys. Back about 2 weeks ago, this was all underwater. I'm going to show you how high that water was in just a minute. Oh, the grass is still sluggish, Kitt. We don't want to stay here too long. But you see this football goal post right here? The water was all the way up to that right there. So, oh, I'm guessing that's about maybe 15. I don't know, how tall are these? That's how far the water was up. Yeah, Kitt, you did real good when them dogs were there. We got lucky. Either they didn't notice us or they didn't care. I don't know what it was, but if I could tell you how many times I've actually had to leave a park because of other dogs off leashes, you'd be amazed. And with my other dog, Stormy, I had to leave quite a few times. I wasn't worried about Kitt fighting them. I was worried about Kitt being too scared. And I also was worried about them dogs might have been aggressive towards Kitt. But he wasn't aggressive. They paid no attention. You kind of seen some of it. They paid no attention. Kitt was there. And yes, the camera movement probably was sloppy, which I'm hoping it was. I'm hoping, because that's another good practice or another good trial for the GoPro Hero 13 I'm using now. That way I can see if the stability is doing better than my other ones. This camera also has a heat sensor on it. Supposed to keep it cooler on them hot days. I never had a problem with my GoPros overheating. Even the GoPro 10, believe it or not, the GoPro I had the most problems with. Well, I never had a problem with that. My problem was the batteries getting too cold and the camera dying. It also has a magnet feature where I can magnetize it onto any place I want. Like in a car, that will work good. Will I use that in the future? Do not know. I'm also very pleased to announce that my training is paying off with Kitt. He had a number 2, by the way, it's the second one. And as I was picking it up, the leash fell out of my hand. He's seen it. He walked about 4 steps and said, "Kitt, stay." He stopped and sat. I was like, okay, okay. Off his leash. Now, Stormy, my other dog, I hate to say it, as much as I had her under my control, if she noticed I didn't hold that leash, she would have like took advantage. No, Kitt, he stayed. I'm very proud of him. Where was I? Yeah, I was talking about the GoPro features. Also, on this particular GoPro, it has a wider viewing screen. Yeah, so when I turn the camera around like this, it's a little bit wider for me to see. And when I hold the camera like this, I can see me in it much better than I could my other GoPros. Yeah, that's okay. That doesn't really matter to me, so I don't really look at myself that much when I'm talking. If I was to do that, I will get goofed up. Okay, let's find a trash can. Let's deposit the poo. I think they're getting ready to have a game here, or at least a practice game. It's starting to fill up with cars now too. So we're gonna go ahead and head to the car after I deposit the poo and go from there. Don't know where we're going from here. Okay, I am at Waterway Park, the park I started at to begin with, but I could not walk here because there was people and their children, and lots of people and their children, and quite a few dogs off the leashes having a good old time. Well, they're gone now. I'm glad I'm able to walk here. And the reason I'm glad, I want to see how this GoPro does looking at the water, Hogan Creek down below. And no, this is not to replace my big camera, the G70, no. But I'm curious if it can do as good of a job as my GoPro 10 did or does, if not better. Now, grant you, I have trouble with the GoPro 10, right? Yes, but And the clarity of the videos, of the filming I did, it was flawless. It was some of the best filming I've did. It was almost as good as my G70. But yet it had problems. It just turned itself off, and what the heck is this, Kitt? No. The strangest things you see when you walk. At first I thought that was a computer case. No, Bubby. Don't know what that is there, huh? It looks like a toaster oven, don't it? Huh. Oh, I bet you that's a microwave. What the hell? What is it doing here? Oh boy, well, I might as well give you a shot of waterway here. I see a kid coming in on a scooter. No big deal there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and give our lap around and maybe get some more closing thoughts. There's something over there at the picnic table. I wonder if that, which kind of looks like a shop vac. With the filming I got planned for this summer, I needed an extra camera anyway. I'm trying to take my filming to a whole other level. I've been doing this now for quite a few months. I got to get better on the B-roll. Well, actually the B-roll's okay. I got to get better on the A-roll. That's me talking about the history of the locations we go. Yeah, I need to somehow put it into my own words. That way when I read it and I put it on the video, it sounds better. Okay, we got a Jeep coming in. No big deal. I will probably put down in the tags the GoPro 13 Hero. If I can somehow put it with the title, I will. But I'm going to name this video having something to do, ran out of the park by 2 dogs off their leashes or something like that. I figured that'd be kind of catchy. And guys, once again, sorry it wasn't an adventure. But who knows? It may not do anything Sunday at all, and I might be able to make an adventure. Right? But just see this video first. And again, this video, if it's all goofed up, it'll never air. And yes, I know this is a vlog, but it's to check out my GoPro 13 Hero Black. And since I probably won't be able to have any footage on Sunday because the weather's gonna be too nasty, figured I'll go ahead and share this with you too. All right, Kitt. I'm gonna try to give him some more grass time, and that'll be it, guys. Holy smokes. I did get a good walk in. And this tells me something. Since warmer weather is here, well, warmer weather's trying to sneak in. That means, Kitt, you and I are going to have to walk at an earlier time or later in the evening time. Earlier time probably best, because these parks are filling up. Oh, everybody sees this warm weather, they want to get out and enjoy it. Until next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here. Leave your comments down below. If you have a GoPro 13 Hero Black, tell me what you think of it. In about 2 months or so, I will give a full review of this. And I promise when I do that, it won't interrupt my ventures. I just add an extra video to that week. Till then, guys, come on, let's get out of here. Now I got the fun part, going home and editing this up, and hope it's superb. I hope it did its job. I hope it looks good. I gotta find some kind of beep to block out my curse words. How am I going to do that? Come on, guys. I'll see you later. Hopefully I'll see you on the next adventure.